In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing using 100% free traffic. And with this strategy, we're going to start off here at Digistore24. It's an affiliate marketing platform that we're going to use to promote products and make sales. The real beauty of it, you don't need a massive following to make this work. I'm going to show you where you're going to get a lot of free traffic. And with over 8,000 products spread across 44 different niches, you can dive into just about any niche that you're passionate about. And commissions could actually reach up to 70%, not to mention that some of these products offer reoccurring commissions. So the best part, this is also a passive income strategy. So you just want to create a free account with Digistore24 and log in. And once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. You just want to make sure that you're at the marketplace. And here to the left, you'll see a list of digital products. This is just basically a lot of different niches or products that you can promote. But in this case, we're just going to stick with fitness and health. And just to the right of categories are the actual products. So you could just look through here and see which product that you wanted to promote. Let's just say, for example, you wanted to promote the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This right here is actually your commission range, which will be 85%. So you would make 85% commission per sale. And just below that is your affiliate link. So if you actually wanted to promote this product, you would just click on this link and you can see it's copied to clipboard. Keto products are actually doing really good. So I'm just going to go up here in the search and I'm going to search keto and hit enter. And it's one particular product that does really well. So I'm just going to look for that. And people go on a keto diet for a number of reasons, whether it's to lose weight or for health reasons. I've sold a couple of products on keto and it does really well. I like this product in particular. It does well for me, keto desserts. And if we look here at the cancellation rate, you'll see it's 1.8. So people barely ever even cancel this once they make the purchase. So that's really good. And if we look here at the price average, you'll see that it's $15.38. Now that may not sound like a lot, but when a product converts as well as this one does, you can make a lot of money, especially with the traffic that I'm going to be showing you how to get. So let's just go here and click onto the sales page. And this is the page that people are going to see when they click your affiliate link. But I want to make this strategy even more effective because people are just going to scan through here and just look over the information. And then they're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And when they click on this button here, claim now, it's going to take them to the checkout page. But what we're going to do is convert this landing page into a PDF and give it away for free. This adds value and increases conversions. Even though it's the same landing page, people just like to get stuff for free. So what we're going to do is go into the browser and copy this link. Then we're going to go to a website called web-to-pdfconvert.com. And we're just going to paste that URL here and hit go. And now it's going to convert our landing page into a PDF that we can give away for free, and they can download it and read it. Next, I'm going to show you how to insert links into that PDF so that when people click on the link, it's going to take them straight to the checkout page. And I'm going to show you how to put all of this together. So once that's done, we just want to click download. And if I open that downloaded file, you will see that it's the same exact landing page. It's just converted to a PDF. But the only thing that we need to do now is insert our affiliate links that's going to take people through to the checkout page because there's no links here. So if I scroll all the way down where it says claim now, if people click here, there's no link that's going to take them to the checkout page. So now what we have to do is customize this PDF a little bit. And to do that, we're just going to go to this website called Seda.com. Some people think that this website costs you, but you could actually use it for free. What you want to do is just go here to pricing, and then you just want to scroll down. And as you can see, you can use it for free. Just click get started and then click upload PDF file. And we're going to select our landing page that we converted to a PDF and open. And now what we want to do is look for pictures and text that says claim now, anything that prompts people to the checkout page, and we have to insert our affiliate link. But we don't want to send them to the same exact landing page. We want to send them to the checkout page. So to make sure we use our affiliate link, we're actually going to go back to Digistore24 into our dashboard, and we're going to copy our affiliate link. And we're just going to open that up into another browser, scroll all the way down, and we're going to click through to the checkout page. And here on the checkout page, we're going to go into the browser and copy this link. And now we've got our affiliate link to the checkout page. So now that we got our link, we're going to begin to insert our links into this PDF. So if I scroll all the way down to where it says claim now, what you need to do is click links. And then you're just going to highlight this whole area. Right here it says claim now. And you also have a button here that says claim now. So I want this whole area highlighted. So I'm going to left click and drag and drop my cursor over this whole area. and this box is going to pop up. You just want to highlight that and paste our affiliate link to the checkout page and just hit enter. And now our affiliate link has been inserted here. And this right here is the same exact process that you would just do throughout the PDF. So if I scroll up here, you could even do images if you want to. If I scroll up and find an image, let's just say if I wanted this image to go through to the checkout page, I would just highlight this and paste my affiliate link in there and enter. So now when anyone clicks on this, it's going to take them straight to the checkout page. And you would just repeat the process throughout this PDF. Just look for the text and images that prompts people to the checkout page. And once you've done that and you finish inserting your links, you just want to go here and click apply changes. And as you can see, this right here is our PDF with all of our affiliate links inserted. So now what we want to do is just click here to download. And now we can use this free PDF to promote our product and make money with affiliate marketing. But in order to do that, we need to make this document shareable so that people can use it. So you just want to go to Google and type in Google Drive. And then you can open up Google Drive, click on New, File Upload, and select your file and open. And as you can see, it's uploading to Google Drive. So now it's a shareable document and we'll be using this later. But now where do we go to get that free traffic so we can turn this PDF into sales? One of the best places to do that is on Pinterest. I'm going to show you how simple this is because you can get reoccurring clicks and sales using Pinterest. The best part about it is that you can create a pin once and continue to get sales because once you create that board, it's just going to stay up here on Pinterest. So you just want to create an account or use an existing one. Create a board specifically for your affiliate product, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Then just start sharing your pins. Pinterest is one of the best platforms for driving traffic to your affiliate offers because pins just continue to attract clicks and conversions over time. And one of the best things about Pinterest is that you can actually have a link per pin. So after you create your account here on Pinterest, what we want to do is start creating these really simple pins. And to do that, you just want to go to canva.com. Then you just want to go in the search and enter Pinterest pin. Now there's a lot of templates that you can use. Some are paid, so you will have to update to the pro version of Canva, but you do have a lot of free templates that you can use. But we're just going to use the blank template, so you just want to click here. And as you can see, we're on the templates here. So if you want to, we could just go up here and search keto or keto diet. And then you could just look through these templates and see which template that you wanted to use. Or you could go to elements, and then we're going to search keto diet, and we're going to select photos. And as you can see, they also have free photos here, and they also have the pro version. So if you wanted to use pro, you have to upgrade with Canva, or you could just use the free images. I kind of like this one here, so I'm just going to select it, and it's going to drop onto my canvas, and then I just have to size it out and stretch it out so that it fits the canvas. And I'm gonna leave it just like that. And then we're just going to go up here to edit photo, and I'm going to add a blur. And as you can see, the blur has already been added, but if you want to, you can turn the intensity down or you could turn it up. I'm gonna leave it about right there. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my landing page and see if I could find another image to add here. Okay, so back in my landing page, and if you want to, you can even use the book. So if you wanted to use the book, you could just create a Pinterest pin, and it would say something like, enjoy the best desserts on keto, and then you could use a prompt for them to actually purchase the recipe book. So there's a lot of ways that you can do this, and a lot of pins that you can create. It's really just based on your imagination, but you can create a lot of pins. So I'm just going to scroll through here and find an image. I think that this one looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is just right click, and I'm going to copy image, and I'm gonna go back to Canva, and I'm just going to paste that in, and I'm gonna stretch it out. I kind of want some room at the top and bottom, so I'm just going to close that up a little bit, and I'm gonna stretch it out to fill the side and put it in the center. And then I'm going to go here to text, and you guys can select any font that you want, but I kind of like this one here, so I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to add to my project here. The small text I don't need, so I'm just going to click on that and delete. Then I'm just going to drag it to the top, and I'm going to go back to that landing page to see if I could get any ideas. So back here at the landing page, enjoy delicious, sugar-free, low-carb desserts and still be on keto. So this is a pretty good title, so I'm just going to copy this. Then I'm going to go back to Canva, and I'm just going to paste that in. And the text is too big, so I'm just going to highlight it, and I'll make the size at about 60. And then I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to align it to the center. And the line spacing here, if you look, you see these lines, everything looks too close. So I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to spread the line spacing out at about 1.2 and enter. And drag that in. Okay, that looks better. And I just want to spread this out a little bit. And now I'm gonna highlight it and go to effects and I'm gonna add a background. And the background color, I'll change that to, let's say, yellow. And then a text color, I'll change that color to black. Then I'm just going to drag it up to the top and I'll put a little bit of a twist to it, something like that, and kind of like drag it. Now, you see how it kind of wants to stick, how you got these lines and it's real sticky. If you want more control, just press down the control button and then move it around and you see it's not sticking. So you could adjust it however you want. Just hold down control. And I'm gonna put that about right there. And now what I'm gonna do is just click on this and I'm going to duplicate it. And I'm gonna drag this one down to the bottom. So here we have our title, enjoy delicious sugar-free low-carb desserts and still be on keto. So here we want to add a call to action. So I'll go to my effects here and the background, instead of it being yellow, I'm going to change it to red. And then the text, I'm going to change the text to white. And we'll just say something like, get your very own recipe book today. And now I'm just going to adjust that, maybe drag it up a little bit, hold down control, and I'll put it right about there. And now that we got our pin, we got our title, and we got a call to action. So now the only thing we want to do is download it. So we're just going to go up here to share and click download and download. And as you can see, it's going to start downloading to our computer. And now that we got our pin downloaded, we want to start uploading it to Pinterest just like these people are doing. And as you can see, these are a lot of different keto pins. So you just want to go up here to create and then create pin. And then you just want to click in this box, select our pin and open. And then for the title, you could just say something like, enjoy delicious keto desserts today. And let me check that spelling. And for the description, if you wanted to put in some more details about your pin or about the keto diet, you can just go back to the landing page and copy some information from there and then just paste that into your description. And now what we want to do is add our link to that PDF that we created that has our affiliate links in it so they can click through to that checkout page. So you just want to go back to Google Drive and we just want to open that file up. And then you just want to go into the upper right corner and click on these three dots and then click share. And right now it's set to restricted. Only people with access can open with the link, which is exactly what you want. So we're just going to copy that link and then click done. And we're just going to go back to Pinterest and paste that link in here. Next, you want to go to board, create board, and then we're going to name our board. And we'll say Keto Food 3. And then we'll just click create. And then you just want to click publish. And the good thing about Pinterest is that you only need one profile, but you can create multiple boards with different types of affiliate products like health and fitness, relationships, digital products, etc. So here's our pin, and as you can see, it has our link to the PDF, and if I click on this link, it's going to open up the PDF that we created. So if I just go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I click on that link that we inserted, it's going to take us straight through to the checkout page. And every time someone makes a purchase, you're going to make money with affiliate marketing. Now the only thing that's left for you to do is to create more pins, and you could even look into other niches to maximize your income with affiliate marketing. So in just a few steps, you can make some real good money with affiliate marketing. And now check out this video to discover how you can make $1,000 a day with ChatGPT. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how to do it in this video right here, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.